and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be making spaghetti carbonara, and this recipe is for only 4 people. The first ingredient is 4 eggs. Next one is 50 grams of parmesan that I've got right here, or grana. Then 150 grams of bacon and 350 grams of spaghetti. I have got a big pan and I have filled it up with water, and I have to wait until it gets boiled, so we have to put the lid on top. Next, I have got the bacon and I have put it on a pan. You have to put a tiny bit of oil because it's already kind of oily, and you have to mix it a bit until the color becomes golden, which is already starting. Now that the bacon has become golden, we can now put it one side here and we'll leave it for after. Now the water is boiling, so we put some salt just like this. And then we have to put the pasta in, the spaghetti. And you let it boil. Okay, now we have to let it boil for about 10 minutes. Now I get the parmesan and I put it with the eggs, the 4 eggs, and I start mixing until it becomes a creamy kind of sauce. Now we get the pasta and we put it together with the bacon and we start mixing. And after you have mixed very well, you can add the eggs and the parmesan to it. Then you put the egg. And then you start mixing again. Now we have finished our wonderful plate. I really hope you enjoy it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye!